Imagine often being mistaken for someone in her early 20s when you're actually 49. This is the reality for Lure Hsu, a Taiwanese interior designer and social media sensation who has become an international icon of ageless beauty. Lure Hsu's beauty is truly remarkable. She defies traditional notions of aging with her flawless complexion, radiant skin, and youthful energy. Lure, born in 1975, exudes a timeless elegance that goes beyond her years, capturing the hearts of millions around the world. Her luminous social media presence has earned her a devoted following as people seek her inspiration and advice on how to stay youthful. Despite the passage of time, Lure remains a symbol of vitality and grace. Her beauty regimen is simple and consistent with a focus on nourishing her body from the inside out. Along with her commitment to a healthy lifestyle, Lure emphasizes the value of self-care and mindfulness, acknowledging that true beauty comes from within. So, how does Lure Hsu maintain her youthful appearance despite her age? In this video, she will share her skincare routine. After that, we'll explore the foods she eats for good health, as well as one food she avoids. Lastly, we'll talk about her exercise routine. Her skincare routine. Lure Hsu's skincare routine is a testament to simplicity and dedication, emphasizing a few key tips that promote healthy, youthful skin. Daily moisturizing. Lure applies moisturizer every day, considering it one of the most important parts of her skincare routine. She says moisturizer is essential for preventing wrinkles, aging, and other skin problems. Moisturizing the skin helps it stay hydrated, which is essential for keeping it soft, supple, and youthful. It also forms a protective barrier, shielding the skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation, which can contribute to premature aging. Prioritizing sunscreen. Another crucial aspect of Lure's skincare routine is the consistent use of sunscreen. Lure is careful not to spend too much time lounging in the sun, stating that sunscreen is drier and makes small spots and small fine lines easier to appear. For Lure, there is no greater gift than a good quality sunscreen. When she does head outside, she makes sure to slip, slop, and slap to ensure maximum skin protection. Minimalistic approach. Lure's skincare philosophy centers on minimalism, emphasizing simplicity over complexity. She chooses high-quality skincare products that provide effective results without the need for lengthy routine. Lure's favorite skincare brands, including Japan's brand with Pitera Essence and Switzerland's brand focusing on skin rejuvenation, reflect her preference for simplicity and efficacy. Her diet. Lure Hsu's diet is as refreshing and rejuvenating as her skincare routine, emphasizing hydration, nutrient-rich foods, and a morning boost of caffeine. Hydration. Lure understands the importance of staying hydrated and makes it a priority to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is essential for maintaining healthy skin as it helps to flush out toxins, regulate body temperature, and keep the skin moisturized from within. By staying hydrated, Lure supports her skin's natural functions, promoting a clear, radiant complexion. Nutrient-rich foods. Lure's diet includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, providing her body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrient-rich foods nourish her skin from the inside out, helping to promote collagen production, fight oxidative stress, and maintain a youthful appearance. By incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into her diet, Lure ensures that her skin receives the vital nutrients it needs to stay healthy and glowing. Morning cup of black coffee. Lure starts her day with a cup of black coffee, which provides her with a caffeinated boost of energy and a host of potential health benefits. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and reduce the risk of certain skin conditions. Additionally, caffeine has been shown to improve circulation, potentially reducing the appearance of cellulite and promoting a more even skin tone. By following these dietary guidelines, Lure Hsu nourishes her body and supports her skin's health and vitality. Foods she avoids. Lure Hsu's journey to ageless beauty also involves mindful choices about what she avoids in her diet. With a keen awareness of the impact of nutrition on her skin and overall well-being, Lure steers clear of two particular culprits: sugary drinks and greasy foods. Sugary drinks. Lure understands that excessive sugar consumption can wreak havoc on the skin, leading to inflammation, acne, and premature aging. By avoiding sugary drinks such as sodas, sweetened juices, and energy drinks, she maintains stable blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to collagen, leading to stiff and less elastic skin. Instead, Lure opts for hydrating beverages like water and herbal teas, supporting her skin's natural radiance from the inside out. Greasy foods. Lure recognizes that greasy, fried foods can contribute to clogged pores, breakouts, and dull complexion. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats and lack essential nutrients, depriving the skin of the nourishment it needs to thrive. By avoiding greasy foods such as fast food, burgers, fries, and deep-fried snacks, Lure maintains a clear and luminous complexion. Instead, she opts for nutrient-rich alternatives like clean proteins, whole grains, and fresh fruits and vegetables, providing her skin with the building blocks for optimal health and vitality. Her exercise routine. Lure Hsu is a big believer of regular exercise. With a mantra similar to every personal trainer's motto, she credits her lean figure and clear, wrinkle-free skin to her dedication to daily exercise. Lure believes that keeping the body moving is the key to regaining her youthful glow. Whether she's pounding the pavement on a treadmill, cycling with passion, or powering through a series of push-ups and crunches, Lure engages in a variety of exercises to keep her body engaged and fueled. Each session is more than just a way for her to stay physically fit. It is also an important part of her overall approach to health and beauty. Lure's daily exercise routine not only helps her maintain a toned physique, but it also improves her overall health. Regular physical activity improves circulation, flushing toxins from the skin and delivering essential nutrients, resulting in a more radiant complexion. In conclusion, Lure Hsu's remarkable journey shows the timeless pursuit of beauty, health, and vitality. Lure's holistic approach to wellness, which includes her age-defying skincare routine, nourishing diet, and dedicated exercise regimen, inspires countless people around the world. Lure's disciplined lifestyle choices and unwavering commitment to self-care have revealed the secret to eternal youth, demonstrating that age is truly just a number. Her radiant complexion, toned physique, and boundless energy demonstrate the transformative power of putting health and well-being first. Furthermore, Lure's journey goes beyond mere aesthetics, conveying a deeper message of empowerment and self-love. She inspires others to embrace their natural beauty and live a balanced and moderate lifestyle, reminding us that true beauty comes from within.